Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom to fit in Lightroom Classic. So if you want to learn to zoom in Lightroom Classic, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So first thing, you open your navigator panel on the left side of the screen. So once you do that, select the fit option to fit the entire image within the workspace. Then you can also use the loop view. So in the library or develop model, click on the image to toggle between fit and 100% zoom. You can also use the key shortcut, which is Z, to quickly zoom in and out. You can also use the zoom tools. So for you to be able to use the zoom tools located below the photos to select the desired zoom percentage. You can also use the advantage method, which is use the scroll wheel on your keyboard, mouse or trackpad while holding down hot window or option on Mac to zoom in and out. You can also use the keyboard shortcut as well. Press the Ctrl plus. You can also use the Ctrl plus window or CMD on Mac to zoom in and out. You can also press the Ctrl plus CMD on Mac to zoom in as well. You can also use the spacebar shortcut, which is hold the shortcut or hold the spacebar and click on the image to zoom in and out. You can also reset your zoom level, which you can also press the Ctrl plus Alt plus O. On Windows, you can also use the CMD option on Mac to reset your zoom level. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.